Good evening, everyone. Today, my topic in ionic polarization in engineering physics. Topic ionic polarization. Ionic polarization is occurs in the ionic compound where the opposite charged ions that are cations and anions moves in opposite direction under the electrical in order to produce a net dipole moment in them is called ionic polarization. Ionic polarization is due to displacement of anion and cation in opposite direction in ionic matter when placed in external field. Example: NaCl, nitrogen chloride. Consider M and N are masses of the positive and negative ions respectively. When electric field E is applied on ionic dielectrical gets displacement in direction. Ionic field applicable for dielectrical applied electrical field through x1 and x2 then opposite positive as shown in figure. This is figure 2. Hence net displacement two ions x equal to x1 plus x2 if E is a electric charge of any one of the ionic then ionic dipole moment. Equation 1, equation 2, mu I equal to E of x1 plus x2. Equation 2, due to applied field the force is exerted on charge carriers, therefore the force due to applied field F equal to E small e capital E. Equation 3, when ions are displaced the restoring force of ionic that try to make x1 and x2 equal to 0 under the equilibrium conditions. Force due to applied force should be equal to restoring force. The restoring force acting on ions is F equal to K1, x1 equal to K2, x2. This is equation 4 where K1 and K2 are force constant. K1 equal to m omega square k. Equation 2, where is an angular velocity of the ion. Equation 3 and equation 4, E equal to k1 x1 equal to k2 x2, k1 x1 equal to E small e capital E, x1 equal to W by V, x1 equal to E by m omega whole square and omega naught whole square. This is an derivation. Substitute equation 5 and equation 6 in equation 2. We got it. Next equation, omega equal to E square E by omega square m of m by capital M plus 1 by small m. Equation 7. Next, omega directly proportional to E. We got it. Equation 8. Substitute equation 7 in equation 8. E cancel. This is an equation. This is ionic polarization is inversely proportional to the square of natural frequency of the ionic molecules and to its reduced mass, which is equal to 1 by capital M plus 1 by small m inverse. Polarization. What is polarization? Polarization, so here is a net polarization is the separation of positive and negative charge electrical dipole moment per unit volume. This type of polarization occurs in ionic crystals such as NaCl, KCl, etc. Ionic polarization is independent of temperature. It does not occur in typical covalent criticals such as diamond. This is observed in the material that passes crystalline molecules. This is a diagram of ionic polarization diagram. Thank you.